Continue to track that severe weather threat. Live look now at National Harbor from our Fox 5 Skycam. It does not look good out there, but Mike Thomas and the Fox 5 weather team keeping you up to date, what you need to know. Mike, you've been pretty busy.
What a nice way to start a Monday, right?
Right, exactly.
A little bit of action out there. And look, if we know we're on different programming Fox, but if you tuned in the Fox local, getting the latest on the storms, you don't want to miss any of the FIFA game. They did delay that because these storms are also hitting Philly, and that's one of the few venues that is outdoors. So they can't deal with thunderstorms up there. They're waiting for it to go by before they resume the second half. I believe they had a preliminary start time of about 7 o'clock for that game, but of course they'll keep you updated there, Fox 5, and we'll keep you updated here on Fox Local. As these storms, unsettled storms, not just possible, but now they've certainly happened. We had a hot day, and this is kind of setting us up for what we ended up having this afternoon. We got way hotter than expected at 96 degrees. That provides a lot of extra energy for these storms to feed into. Now, all weekend we've been watching Monday as the potential for some strong to severe thunderstorms, and EarthCam showing you, yep, messy view across the D.C. region right now. Is this going to last all night? No, but we do have more rain coming our way kind of overnight into the first part of the day tomorrow as well. So 24 more hours of trouble here in the D.C. region. Less than that, really. I think by the middle part of the afternoon tomorrow, sunshine's coming back. We'll have a calmer middle of the week. 75 right now, Reagan National, Dulles at 76, BWI 79, and yes, you can clearly see thunderstorms right across D.C. at the moment. Big picture showing you that yellow box, severe thunderstorm warning or watch box up until 9 p.m. tonight. Now, the worst of the severe thunderstorms, kind of the D.C. line straight to the east. You guys are the folks that we're kind of most concerned with here in the short term, as this line, which should be the main event for the day, comes across southern Maryland and parts of the northern neck. There we go on Storm Tracker radar. You can see a warning on the eastern shore, just across the Bay Bridge as well. Nasty cell there that's moving our way, or moving its way northward. Down to the south. Now, this does not affect our immediate area, but that purple box, another rotating thunderstorm there just to the north of Richmond that's heading over into eastern portions of Virginia. So if you are down in the northern neck, eastern portions of the northern neck, keep an eye on that cell for a possible tornado warning as we head forward. Right now, the strongest storm in the immediate vicinity is this one in Charles, Prince George's, St. Mary's County. It was the northern fringe of this line as the winds kind of collided from earlier storms to the north, caused enough rotation to prompt 2 tornado warnings in Charles County. Now, at the moment, we're not seeing that same tightness or that same rotation within the cell. Hopefully that does continue as it's now. It was this portion of the cell in southern Prince George's, right around Andrews Air Force Base, that'll work its way up towards southern Anne Arundel County if it holds on its course. But at this time, no additional tornado warning has been issued. Of course, if one is, we will bring it to you here, Fox Local, and we'll hit the air on DCA as well. But at the moment, just a severe thunderstorm warning that goes right until the end of the hour, 7 o'clock, as this line of intense thunderstorms. And I've been reading more damage reports coming from this same line as it crossed through Virginia. I'm sure parts of southern Maryland will have to contend with this as well. Northern Anne Arundel County, or St. Mary's County, I'm sorry, you're in it as well. And watch out northern portions of Charles County. You'll get into this line and some of the strong winds with it very shortly here. Futurecast showing you, once we get this main line through, it should be quieter. We'll watch for maybe 1 or 2 late evening cells across portions of, say, the West Virginia, Maryland panhandle that might try to come towards central Maryland. But the primary severe weather threat is done once that main line gets through. Now, rain showers then start to fill in as we head into tomorrow morning. Not expecting severe weather, so don't let the red scare you too much. But we are expecting a decent amount of rain tomorrow morning, and it could linger into about lunchtime tomorrow before drier air works its way in behind a cold front and starts bringing back some more pleasant conditions. So is tomorrow washout? No. The first part of the day is, though. It's not going to be a great start to your day on Tuesday. I'd have the umbrella ready. Once the sun does come out, it'll feel pretty pleasant with temperatures down in the 70s and 80s. That's how tomorrow's planner looks. Again, rumble of thunder within that rain field. Sure, we're not expecting severe weather. Then rain showers kind of after that until about mid-afternoon. Then sunshine comes back late in the day. And should be a really nice evening here in Washington, even if it won't be the greatest start to the day. Wednesday looks great at 85 degrees. Thursday, Friday, that's kind of summertime pop-up hit-and-miss storms as we get right around 90 degrees. Same thing could happen this weekend, staying kind of seasonably hot here as we're now officially in summertime. We'll keep you updated on radar, let you know if anything else should fire. Kenneth?
We know you will, Mike. Take a breath. Good job, friend.